Hello, friends. So, friends, I've got good news from the White House. Thousands of dollars has been approved for low-income households, and lawmakers have just agreed to allocate extra money towards funding new crisis relief assistance. And these programs will help many Americans that are experiencing difficulties affording basic necessities. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the new details. And to say thank you for watching, I'll be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways. The Federal Reserve is rapidly raising interest rates in order to fight inflation, announcing another sharp upward bump on July 27th. While no one likes inflation, Congress and the President must acknowledge that this sudden rise in rates can negatively affect millions of Americans. Rising interest rates do not affect everyone the same, but borrowers will pay more, and with home prices in many places already through the roof, those higher payments will cripple the ability of many Americans to purchase a home. Nationally, the rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage has nearly doubled in the past year, and that was before the Fed's latest announcement. This will most severely affect low and moderate income families who are already struggling with the cost of housing and who generally do not have enough saved or invested to get much interest income. Higher mortgage rates mean higher monthly payments, pricing even many middle-class families out of home ownership. While this will likely depress home prices at some point, prices have risen nationally in the first half of 2022, despite rising mortgage rate. That means millions of American families will be even more completely cut off from any opportunity for home ownership, which remains this country's most reliable path for building financial security. The market or government programs alone will not fix this, but together they can help. That is why many states and cities are establishing financial assistance programs. The California Mortgage Relief Program is also providing one-time payments to all qualified homeowners who have fallen behind on their housing payments during the crisis. This program aims to assist homeowners who have fallen behind on mortgage and property tax payments. Homeowners are now eligible for assistance from this program if their household income is at or below the county income limit. Many officials are urging that California homeowners interested in receiving this relief apply as soon as possible. In addition, homeowners who have missed at least 2 mortgage payments prior to June 30th, 2022 and are currently delinquent may be eligible for assistance. Over in Durham County, a program that got started in 2021 to provide longtime homeowners help when it comes to paying their tax bill has been updated and improved for this year's batch of applicants. The Low-Income Housing Relief Program is back and is officially open to applicants through January 31st, 2023 for all residents in Durham County. The program is a joint effort between the Durham County Tax Office and the Durham County Department of Social Services. So in order to apply, you must have owned your home for 5 years or more and are not currently receiving any state tax subsidies for your property. Also, you must make less than 80% of the average median income. The Durham area median income currently sits at $86,400. The Cpi inflation rate finally pulled back from a 40-year peak in July as the consumer price index came in cooler than expected. Core inflation also downshifted, lowering odds of a big Federal Reserve rate hike in September. Although gas prices have dropped from earlier this summer, they are still close to pre-crisis highs. A gallon of gas is around 75 cents higher than it was the same time last year, and more than $1 above where it was in 2019, before the crisis caused demand to tumble and oil producers and refiners to slash production. Well, my awesome and amazing friends, That is the end of my daily stimulus update video for tonight. Thank you, friends, for joining me every day and watching my videos. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Bradley Marshall. Congratulations, dear friend. Please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim your gift card. Thank you, everyone.
Confirmed the 76th federal judge since the beginning of President Biden's term, Rupali Desai, nominated to serve as a circuit judge for the Ninth Circuit. Not long ago, a nominee like Ms. Desai would have been rarely seen in the Senate. But under President Biden, the Senate is confirming more and more nominees that break away from that norm. Over 75% of President Biden's nominees are women, and nearly half are women of color. Now, let's not forget the bench. People say, well, why shouldn't it be the same percentage as the population? Well, that's what we're trying to get to, but we're way behind, and putting more women and people of color on the bench gets those percentages a little closer to the American norm, but we have a ways to go. Moreover, Ms. Desai will make history as the first South Asian judge to serve on the Ninth Circuit and only the fifth AAPI woman ever to sit on the federal circuit court. Ms. Desai's resume leaves no doubt she merits confirmation. A graduate of Arizona School of Law, a clerk for Judge Mary Schroeder, the first woman to ever serve as a Ninth Circuit Chief Judge. She has excelled at every step of her legal career. She's one of Arizona's top election lawyers, having played a crucial role in protecting her state's elections in 2020, and has fought for everyone from children in foster care to children in public schools during the pandemic. As my Arizona colleagues, Senator Sinema and Senator Kelly, will attest to, Ms. Desai is deeply respected by all corners of Arizona's legal community and will make an excellent judge when we confirm her later today. Now, Mr. President, Senate Democrats are getting things done. This has been one of the most productive stretches the Senate's seen in recent times. In the past few months, we've seen an amazing string of achievements pass through this chamber in extremely fast succession. The first major gun safety bill in 30 years, the largest investment in American manufacturing and science in a generation, the largest expansion of veterans' benefits in decades, and just last night, we strengthened NATO by approving the accession of Sweden and Finland, sending Russia a signal that they cannot intimidate America or Europe. Gun safety, CHIPS, PAC, NATO, getting any one of these accomplishments done is a significant feat for the